I am walking into the cafe. I am waiting in line. I am looking at the menu to choose a drink. I am ordering a hot coffee. I am choosing a medium-sized cup. It's just the right size. I am paying for my drink. I am waiting for my coffee. I am taking my coffee cup. I am sitting down to enjoy my coffee. Should I add sugar or milk to my coffee?
Today, I am going to Italy. First, I go to the airport.
At the check-in counter, I show my passport.
And I weigh my luggage.
Then, I get my boarding pass. Next, I go through the security check. After that, I go through immigration. Then, I go to the gate using the moving walkway. When boarding time arrives, I get on the plane.
Should I put on or put away my bag?
I get off the plane. I arrive at the airport in Italy. I collect my suitcase from the baggage claim. I show my passport at immigration. I walk through the exit gate. I take a taxi to my hotel. I check in at the reception desk. Welcome, here is your room key. I enter the lift to go to my room. Finally, I unpack my luggage and rest. Do I check in or check out when leaving the hotel? Let's comment below. I am walking into the supermarket. I am taking a shopping cart. I am walking down the aisle. I am choosing fresh vegetables. I am standing in line. I am paying for my groceries. I am packing my bags. I am leaving the supermarket. I am carrying my groceries home. Should I push or pull the cart? Let me know in the comments.
A bunch of bananas.
A bulb of garlic.
A spear of broccoli.
An ear of corn.
A head of cabbage. A loaf of bread. A bunch of grapes. A stick of celery. A block of cheese.
Is this a loaf or a slice of bread? Let's comment below.